Greg, you are into insurance. I just found you because I need new insurance. Everybody's leaving town. So my question is, why are so many insurance companies leaving California?
When I'm feeling down, I can't win. Pour a strong cup of coffee and I tune in. I'm waking on up to Java with Jim. I know my best day can begin. Yeah.
Welcome to another exciting episode of Java with the Jims. My name is Jim Meyer, broker associate at Remax Gold. Now you have a friend in the real estate business. I'm here with my good buddy Jim T. Chong the Wok Star. Now you have a friend in the publicity business. I'm here also with my good friend Jim Filippi Esquire. I have sent him a lot of clients. None of them have gone to jail. Greg Zeman, thank you so much for stopping by. Insurance is your bag, and it's on everybody's mind right now. But before we get started, do you guys, do the gyms have any questions?
I have one question.
Yes.
It's always why we come. What's in your mug today?
Well, I'm drinking coffee. My coffee is hot. It's not as hot as wherever OJ is, but it's hot. And this coffee was given to me by Brenda Eddy at Fidelity Title. Thank you so much, Brenda. I appreciate you very much. Jim Filippi,
I wasn't going to bring up any OJ jokes today, but maybe tomorrow I'll take a stab at it.
but
Yeah.
I was gonna say before we go too far, you see all the reports now about OJ, and they're forgetting to mention the terrible things he did. I'm wondering when Hitler died, did they say, "Oh, Adolf Hitler just died. He was an avid painter. He was an animal lover." And the inspiration for the Volkswagen Bug film at 11. Okay, Greg, you are into insurance. I just found you because I need new insurance. Everybody's leaving town. So my question is, why are so many insurance companies leaving California?
Great question. There's a few factors here. A big part of it has to do with Department of Insurance regulations. So as of right now, insurance companies in California strictly cannot charge or pass along reinsurance costs to their policyholders or consumers. So for example, if insurance companies that you've seen, State Farm, Allstate, Kemper, leaving California, they cannot charge reinsurance cost onto their policyholders, meaning that when they file insurance claims on their own policies and their rates go up, they can no longer recoup the costs or their losses from their policyholders. Also, California at this time does not allow future risk modeling. Carriers have to use past performance to show what new rates will be. And given the changing climate conditions across the globe, but especially in California, with the frequency of fires, it doesn't tell the whole story of what they're going to need to charge for future clients the next 3, 5, or even 10 years. So by having this type of environment, the insurance companies are simply losing too much money in California for it to be a profitable market. So they have decided to either pause or leave the state, as you've read in all the news.
Wow. Okay. So the People's Republic of California is helping to get rid of the insurance companies. Jim, did you have a follow-up question?
There's a lot of things going on here. If people contact you, Gregory, or I should say when, sounds like you're very knowledgeable on this, what sort of things is different contacting you than maybe some of the other companies? What do you do? What can you provide for the people that contact you?
Of course. So there's two really different ways to purchase insurance. Actually, there's three different ways. You can go online, fill out a quote online with a carrier that way. Direct to consumer model. There's also a captive agency model, which is what like AAA, Farmers, or a State Farm would be. And then the third channel is going through an independent broker. That's me. So I have my appointment with many, many different insurance companies. Most of them are admitted and regulated by the state of California. Some of them are not. And so I work with what are called the admitted as well as the surplus lines markets for finding the best solutions for my clients. And given the environment that we've talked about with California, with the admitteds leaving this state, more and more clients are having to buy policies from the surplus lines market in order to replace their homeowners insurance from a non-renewal.
Amazing.
How many years have you been in business?
Yes, I've been licensed and appointed by the state of California Department of Insurance since 2015, so going on 9 years. I have been with my current company, which is TWFG, Larson Insurance Brokers. I'm now entering my 6th year here. So I've been with my same company here in Walnut Creek for the last 6 years or so as an independent broker.
Amazing.
And I just want to emphasize everything you said. I just want to emphasize, I really see the value in contacting independents, because if you're dealing with the big boys, there's some benefits clearly, but you're connected with all of them. So you service kind of like the Home Depot of all models and brands, and they get the best one through you. So thank you.
The difference
Of
between
course.
Home Depot is that when he sees you coming, he doesn't walk around and to the other side and say, "I'm on my lunch break." Okay.
I don't have my orange overalls on. Yeah, sorry.
Jim Filippi is going to have a question, but let's do that tomorrow. Greg, will you come back tomorrow?
Absolutely. Be happy to be here.
Awesome. All right. We'll see you again tomorrow.